Ultra-contemporary and very spacious, this sensational family-friendly home has exceptional gardens and magnificent outdoor entertaining with sensational sea views. Striking Federation-inspired street appeal is modern with traditional edge, and across the road is an appealing rural outlook. The big master bedroom has a huge walk-in robe and ultra-modern ensuite with double vanities inset into an alcove. The three further large bedrooms all have built-in wardrobes and big windows. There's a spacious front-facing formal lounge and a large, light, bright and airy open-plan family room. The kitchen's modern with two-tone chocolate and white cupboards, glass splashback, Caesar stone bench tops, large breakfast bar and stainless steel appliances. Adjacent is a good-sized meals area with dual-aspect windows overlooking the views and outdoor entertaining area. The pristine family bathroom has a big shower, full-size bath, vanity alcove and separate toilet. Glassy porcelain tiling features through the main living areas and wide hallways, the rear hall with a recessed alcove which would make an ideal study nook. Sliding doors from the family room lead on to the stunning outdoor entertaining area, a paved alfresco leading to a stylish, curved roof veranda overlooking the views and garden. Beautifully landscaped split-level gardens feature 2 levels of lush lawn separated by big stone slab steps and moss rock retaining walls. This is a beautifully presented family home, uniquely positioned on an attractively landscaped, elevated block with far-reaching views. Wallunga itself is a charismatic historical township offering an idyllic way of life for the whole family. Call Nick today on 0416 088 556.